Hi there, here we have the 2016 on a 66 plate Mercedes-Benz C-Class. This is the C220D AMG line premium 5-door auto. I'll be doing a video walking around the car showing you the excellent condition this car is offered in. So starting off with the front of the vehicle, as you can see it does have the parking sensors, the LED high performance headlights as you can see. Front bumper, there is no scuffs, no scratches. Moving on to the bonnet, as you can see yourself, it is nice and clean. There is no dents, no scratches, no chips, so everything as it should be. Alloys, it does have the AMG alloys, and as you can see there, they haven't been marked, so nice and clean. Just to confirm, it is a one previous owner with full service history. Rushmores have also done a full service on the vehicle, and a new 12 months MOT will be done at point of sale. Rear parking sensors as well. Tailgate is electric, which I'll show you once we jump inside the interior. And as you saw there is no dents, no scratches, no scuffs on the back bumper. Once again, alloys are nice and clean. RAC Platinum warranty, as well as the 12 months breakdown cover, so that all comes with the price of the vehicle. You do have the option to extend your warranty up to 36 months. So this is something we highly recommend at Rushmores. If you wanted more information about the extended warranty, then no problem at all. Once you come down here or even over the phone, we'll give you more options. It does have the panoramic electric sunroof, and as you can see there is the tinted windows. It is keyless entry as well, so the key can be left in your pocket and you can open the door and go inside. Front driver side and passenger does have the memory seats. They are also heated seats, full leather as you can see, and driver side as well, nice and clean. There is no tears, no marks on the leather, so everything as it should be. Steering wheel, once again, nice and clean. There is no no marks on the dash as well, nice and clean. Car's been fully validated by us as well. Let's have a look at the back seats. So it does have the rear electric windows, the AMG floor mats, and as you can see there at the back, it does have full leather again. No tears, no marks on the leather seats. There is also the ISOFIX, so that's a nice safety point for the children. Alright, so let's have a look at the electric tailgate. As you can see, being the C-Class, they do have a very nice boot space, as you can see. And then press this button. Once more, looking at the back seats, as you can see, nice and clean inside. As I mentioned earlier, it's been fully validated by us. It is pet free and smoke free, so there is no odours inside the vehicle. Right, let's jump inside the driver's side. So the driver's side door, as you can see, it does have the memory seats, fully electrical as well, and also heated. The electric folding door mirrors, so there you press the button just there and they are electric folding. You can also adjust them electrically. There is the electric windows as well, so that's a switch for the front and rear. Moving on inside the vehicle, as you can see just there is the auto lights. multifunctional steering wheel, and as you can see, nice and clean. Does have the paddle shift as well. Also, let's just quickly go back on here. So it does have the start stop, so it is keyless go as well, so the key can be left in your pocket and you're able to start the car and make your journey. The front armrest. Right, so that's all the controls for the screen there. So right now we are on the DAB radio. Let's jump onto the sat nav quickly so I can show you the sat nav. So where to, you can add your destination, or if you wanted to view map, which we are going to do just now, that's the map that comes on. So it does have the sat nav. Moving on, let's go on back onto the radio. So as you can see there, it does have the DAB radio. As well as the DAB radio, you have the AM radio, FM as well. Let's go on to the media so I can show you the media as well. So it does have the Bluetooth phone and audio. So what you can do is you can connect your phone and play music through Spotify, YouTube, you name it, can be done. There we go. So Bluetooth audio. There is a disc, so a CD player as well, which is just there. So you add the CD in and it will play that as well for you. Quickly, let's just go on to the telephone. So the telephone, you can connect your phone, and if there is any calls that come in once you're driving the car, you can answer them on the steering wheel just there. So that's the answer call and the decline. So that can be done as well, and you don't have to touch your phone at all. And then also once more vehicle, so the vehicle settings for you to play around with. So once again, this can all be controlled by the controls there, or if not, there is the buttons just there which will take you to the right place. So that's for the screen. I've put the car in reverse, and there is a rear camera as well, so as you can see, and you do have two options. So you can have this sort of view and then also just a back view like that. So yeah, it does have the front and rear parking sensors as well as the rear camera. Let's put that back in park, and then that's when the camera is off again. So that's that. Electric sunroof, and it is a panoramic roof as well. So what you do is, there is the button here which will close the roof. Obviously there is, let's turn the ignition back on. There we go. So as you can see, I press the button, and that's the sunroof closing, and it does also have the sun blind as well. So that's that. Just a recap before we finish off the video. As you can see, full service history, one previous owner. As you saw there, the exterior and interior is in great condition. There is the platinum RAC warranty, as well as the 12 months breakdown cover. The car has been fully serviced by us, as I mentioned earlier, and there will be a new 12 months MOT. If there is any questions or you need finance arranging, then no problem at all. Don't hesitate to give us a call, as we'll be more than happy to help you out. Okay, thanks for watching.